What you want?
Give my dollar.
What mate, man? I'm saying. What you need
What
with a
you
dollar?
Buy me a soda and a moon pie.
A bull.
Whatever you call them.
Yeah.
You want a soda and a moon pie?
Alright. We got
I'm
you.
waiting for
Cause you know Winn-Dixie got a sale, so I'm getting it from Winn-Dixie. I prefer getting it from Winn-Dixie.
Y'all just full of shit. She don't got just like y'all.
What? But she's stingy.
Yeah, she don't got just like y'all.
Well, how we is?
Y'all full of shit.
I'm so full of shit now.
Yeah.
Why?
You wanna give me a dog talking about clap that ass and all that shit. I'm too old for that shit.
But you clap it. Let's clap it. You'll get $1 right now. You clap that ass.
I said bust it.
Clap it right now.
What you said?
Bust it.
I don't know about no goddamn busting.
All you gotta do is stand there.
Clap it. I got $1 right now. Oh, Dad.
Give me my dog.
I got you. Do that bust it. I got quarters. $1 quarters right now.
Let me see him.
Bust it for me.
Let me see him.
I got you. I shake your hand. I got you. Bust it. I ain't gonna lie. All right. Bust that thing.
You ain't shake my hand.
I'm shaking
Just
it.
turn around and shake
Bust that thing.
I want $2.
I want $1. Bust it. You gotta do it right too, cause you do. I don't even see that. I don't see that. You ain't doing it right. I like you better with the dress. You ain't doing it right. You ain't doing it right, baby. That's 50 Cent right there. You ain't do that. You knew what you was doing. You tried to trick me.